What's up guys, jtmoffroad here, and back working on the Avalanche. Problems with the O2 sensor, and it's throwing code, let's see, PO141, which is heater circuit bank 1 sensor 2. It would be on this side of the engine, I believe, and sensor 2 would be the second sensor, would be the sensor after the catalytic converter. So I checked all the fuses and they all seem fine. So I'm going to get underneath and look and see if the wires are bad. If everything's good, then I'm just going to go ahead and replace the sensor. I already bought one. They're cheap enough. Hopefully that's just what it is and I'll just change that out and be good. So go ahead and get at it. Sensor 2 on bank 1, and way back here is a clip. I think all the wires on this side of the sensor look alright. I really despise working on my truck. So much easier to work on the Jeep, especially not having access to a lift. Makes it very hard to see anything. Alright, well, cut the clip off. Actually, well, I found the problem. The wire loom up there is tore, and inside that torn wire loom is a split wire. So, I'm no electrician, but I'm gonna say that's probably the cause of what's going on. Alright, switched my setup where the jack was sitting. It's much easier to see on this side. There's the split wire. Looks like the drive shaft must have been, right here, the U-joints. Looks like it must have been getting too close and might have hit those wires, so I can't tell exactly. There's another, the wires go up, but I don't see any extra connector. Doesn't, looks like it must just go into something, so I don't know. I might try to have to just splice it right here and try to tuck that back a little bit to get away from that drive shaft. Alright, I screwed up. I uploaded my footage from my GoPro onto the computer, and I lost a bunch of the footage from me actually doing the fix on the O2 sensor. 2 of the wires were cut. All I had to do was just, connect them up together. That O2 sensor code is gone. It was just those wires, and I tucked those wires up a little bit more out of the way, so hopefully shouldn't have any problem with that drive shaft hitting those wires anymore. So I think that's it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like it, tell me what you think in the comments, click subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects and wheeling trips. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to catch posts of videos in the making. See you next time.